Which country is Monzo Bank located? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Which country is Monzo Bank located? I know that a lot of you are interested in Monzo Bank, and I'm happy to be able to provide you with some information about it. But before I get into the specifics, I want to take a step back and talk about the importance of knowing where your bank is located. Body. When you choose a bank, it's important to consider a number of factors, including the bank's location. The country where your bank is located can have a big impact on your banking experience. For example, if you live in the United States, you'll want to choose a bank that is regulated by the U.S. government. This will help to ensure that your money is safe and secure. The country where your bank is located can also affect the interest rates that you earn on your savings accounts. In general, banks in countries with higher inflation rates tend to offer higher interest rates. This is because banks need to offer higher rates in order to attract depositors. Of course, there are other factors to consider when choosing a bank, such as the bank's fees and services. But the location of the bank is an important factor to keep in mind. Main content. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. Which country is Monzo Bank located? Monzo Bank is a UK-based bank. It was founded in 2015 and has quickly become one of the most popular banks in the UK. Monzo offers a variety of banking services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Monzo is a great choice for people who are looking for a modern, convenient, and affordable banking experience. Monzo's current accounts are free to use and offer a number of features, such as overdraft protection, in-app budgeting, and cashback rewards. Monzo's savings accounts are also competitive. They offer some of the highest interest rates on the market. Monzo's credit cards are also a good option for people who are looking for a low interest rate and no annual fee. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Monzo Bank is located in the United Kingdom. If you're looking for a modern, convenient, and affordable banking experience, Monzo is a great option. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Monzo Bank, please feel free to leave a comment below. Outro. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about which country Monzo Bank is located. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Monzo Bank, please visit their website or follow them on social media. I would also love to hear from you in the comments section below. What do you think of Monzo Bank? Have you had any experience with them? Thanks for watching.